This is similar to the previous 349 called the intersection of two arrays. This is the interaction of two arrays, intersection. Okay, so give you two inputs, two arrays, and write a function to compute their intersections. So the important things is in this case that in the previous case that we can change the array into the set because the element must be unique, right? But in this case that we don't have to. So 1 2 2 the intersection is 2 2 and the number 1 4 9 5, then the 4 9 is the only one. So you see although there are 2 9, but the left hand side only have one number. So important, each element in the result should be appear as many times as it shows in both array. This result can be any order. Okay, so the naive way I solve it is very easy. First create the answer array, and for I in number 1, basically I check for number 1. If I is also in number 2, and I will append it, that means I find something. So suppose I go to 1, there's no 1 in number 2, so the 1 is not an answer. 2, there's a 2. So every time I find it, I will remove the element in the number 2. So it will not happen again. So if 2 is here, then I will remove these 2. I will remove these 2. And for the second, these 2, then I will mix with this. So I will get 2, 2. And also for this one, 4, I will see, oh, there are 4 in here. 9, I will see 9 in here. And 5, I will not see anything. So this is the answer. So basically, every time you find something, then you should remove that in the next array, the second array. Okay, and this progress symmetric. If you change number 1 to number 2, the answer will still the answer will be the same. If you change this 1 to 2, 2 to 1. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.